Okay, this is about the slicing. See guys, actually it will not print anything here. It's a mistake one. Don't consider or don't confuse by saying this. If you give minus 6 here, sorry, minus 6 here, after that you have to mention minus 1 there, then it will print this. Okay, you have to decrement. The step value will be decrement minus 1, that is. Okay, so the next one is arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication is same in the Python.
Sir, I
In
cannot see your PPT.
Oh, sorry guys. See guys, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, these are the arithmetic operators. The first three is same. Okay, the first three is the same, but there are two types of division: float division and integer division, which means that when you do the float division it will give the decimal values. When you do the normal division it will give the just the integer without the float values. So the thing that is different is single slash and double slash. I think when you give the single slash it will. Okay, let me run the code and show it. Okay, so see here guys, suppose print 9 divided by 2. And let me run the code. So it's giving the normal division, right? And if you give the single one, it will give float division. Understood?
And what does a double thing do?
It's a normal division. It will not give the decimal values.
Oh, I will round it off.
Yeah, it will round it off to the before integer only. Even it is greater than 4.5. Or if you take like suppose, okay, 9 divided by 11 divided by 4. Even you take greater number also, it will give the before. See, 9 divided by, sorry, 11 divided by 4 means 2.75, right? Which is greater than 5 also. Even it is greater than the 5 also, it will give the value the before one only. Okay, it will skip the remainder part. Okay, in the normal division. See, why I have said this? When you use the round one, if the number is greater than 0.5, it will consider the next integer. If it is less than that, it will be considered the previous integer. That's why. Okay. To make it clear, that's why. Guys, understood?
Got it.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's go. So this is about the addition one. So see here, guys. He's taking he's assigning the value 10 equal to 10 to the x, a variable, and then he's assigning 15 value to the x, to the variable called y, and then he's calculating the sum here, like addition here, and then he's storing this result in the another variable, and then he's printing that. And now what he's doing is he's directly printing the result without storing that result. Here he is storing that result in the another variable. He's not storing that result in any variable. He's just printing. That's the difference. So operations on different data types or different types of variables cannot be performed. Value of result of operation of different variables can be assigned to another variable, like, which means that you can able to assign the result to the another variable, and operations can be performed on variables and values of same data type. which means that when you are performing the addition or subtraction or multiplication, you have to use, sorry, like you have to use the same data types. Yes, it is your doubt.
So can we not use integers and floats together?
No, you have to convert integer into float, and then you have to use.
Got it.
Yeah.
So does this follow the Demas rule, or it just like follows the order of the?
Actually, there is a precedence. There is a precedence for the everything. What most rule is followed here. Okay, in the proceedings also, in the preceding also, like there will be a like what will we call? We can say that like a preferences. So the brackets will have the major difference, and then division and multiplication will have the same preference, and then addition and subtraction will have the same preference. When there is a same preference, it will consider the left to right. Okay, it will consider the left to right. I think
Okay,
it's
sir.
clear, right?
Thank you.
One thing,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Sorry to say, like this one, you can use the float and numbers as a combination, but you can't use the string and integer combination. Okay, you can use the float
Yes, sir.
and integer combination, but you can't use the string and integer or string and float combination. Okay, that's a small correction. And see here, guys. What he is doing is he's just adding the two strings. When you add two strings, it will perform like a concatenation. Okay, it will give the concatenation one, and then he's just using the subtraction for the float numbers, and then he's just multiplying the imaginary number with 10. You can do that, like, because it is a numbers, right? Yeah. Yes, this is your doubt.
So what happens when we divide two strings?
What happens when it is divided by
When we divide two strings.
two strings? Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. See here, suppose a equal to, it will throw scenario. Okay, you can't do that.
Got it, sir.
Yeah.
What if we minus like
See,
subtract
everything
two?
other than addition. See, you can do the multiply one. If you do the multiply with a number, it will be like a concatenation. But if you do the minus, it will not. I think again throws in. Okay, if you try to perform the subtraction, it will throws an error. But if you want to do the multiplication, what you need to do is you just a into 5. What will it do? It will print ban 5 times as a concatenation. Okay.
So what about A into B?
Do it. Okay, understood. You can able to do the things only, like addition only you can do, like concatenation will be done. It will not done the addition, it will do the concatenation when you use the plus symbol. And if you want to use the some multiplication, you have to do like what you do, you
Okay,
have
sir.
to multiply with a number. See, in the strings, when you use the arithmetic operators, it will either do the concatenation, otherwise it will be terminated as a error. It will be give like a error. So you can't perform the subtraction, you can't perform the multiplication, or you can't perform the division, but you can do the concatenation by using the multiplication and addition. Okay, guys, understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And one thing, guys, see the last example. What he's doing is he's trying to add the string and integer which is a which is not possible. That's why it will throws an error. Okay. So guys, try to do this. Okay, you just consider the normal division here. Okay, you just try to do this, then you can understand whether it is follows the Bodmas rule or not. Okay, guys, take the like assign the value a equal to 1251, and then assign the b equal to 9, and then assign c equal to 749, and in the printing write this expression, you will get the answer. Guys, try to do this.
Done, sir.
My answer's coming as 888. Is that correct?
No. Oh, sorry. It is coming at what? 800 and
88.
no. 1251 divided by 9. It's give around like 10. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. I have to check. One. What is the value of 1251? Right? 1251 divided by 9. Yeah, it's right then. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Third answer.
What will happen is it will first do the division and then it will perform the addition. Okay. So 1251 is divided by 9, it will gives the 139. So that's why it's true. After that, it will perform the addition. Guys,
So done.
let's do one thing. You keep the brackets here, b plus c. Okay, you keep the brackets here, like a modulo and then brackets b plus c, like the braces. Okay, round braces.
Why not, sir?
Oh, otherwise, let me show that. So see here,
So
guys.
it is coming in points.
You have taken the float division, right? That's why. So I have taken the just this one normal division. So it's directly giving the one, means first addition is going and then it is dividing, because bracket has the more precedence number than the division. Okay, guys,
Yes.
understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give, guys. I think yesterday also you have not submitted these assignment. Actually, I have given the assignment at the chat box, in the meeting chat box. Okay, so guys, you have to submit all two assignments by tomorrow. So I'm sending the assignment link in the WhatsApp group.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, where do we have to submit the assignment?
you just send those see guys, you can make your answers as a document or a PDF
Uh,
one. After that,
sir,
you
it
just
is
send those
communicated.
in the WhatsApp group. Yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, I'll send them to you on your personal number.
No, you just send them in the WhatsApp group, like this one, right? You are added to the WhatsApp group, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you have to send like homework in that one, like you can send the docs or you can send the PDF.
I'll do that, sir.
Yeah,
So I submitted in the WhatsApp group.
yeah, I have seen you, I have seen the homework.
So can I leave?
One thing, guys, one thing, do you have any doubts regarding the yesterday's assignment?
Yeah, no, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, in the second question, difference between the high level and low level language, I guess.
It's a theory question, right?
Yeah.
So haven't you checked it in the Google or those things?
I've checked, but just I wanted to, have better clarity, so I didn't did a deep research about it.
See, it's a simple thing, guys. High level language means that is understand to us like the alphabets, numbers, all these things. Lower level language means the machine language, which means the zeros and ones. In the simple words, if you want to say, low level programming is see when it is the beginning of the stages, everyone use it to write the programming languages like zeros and ones. So the low level programming languages will be that is written in the zeros and ones, like
So can
it is
I?
called as. Guys who don't have any doubts, you can free to leave.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Good evening.
Yes. Okay, do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Okay, you have joined through two different accounts.